If you are a real estate owner, then this video is for you because here I'm going to show you a WhatsApp automation for a real estate business. So we will be focusing on two real estate automations, that is get lead alerts on WhatsApp and send a WhatsApp message to your real estate leads. So assume that you are getting lot of leads either via Facebook lead ad form or via Google ads or via some website form submission. So now I'll show you as soon as a new lead is arrived, it doesn't matter from where, how you can get a lead alert on your WhatsApp number automatically, something like this. Hello, you have got a new lead for your property. The name of the lead is this, the email address is this, and the phone number of the lead is this. And not just that, I will also show you that when a new lead is arrived, how you can send a WhatsApp message to your real estate lead saying a thank you message or sharing your real estate property brochure. Yes, it is possible. Want to learn how you can also automate the WhatsApp message sending or receiving process? Then come with me and I will show you how you can create this automation very easily, and believe me, any non-technical person, any real estate owner can create this automation very easily. So in this video, I'm taking an example that I am getting the real estate leads from Facebook ads. So this is the Facebook page I have created and this is the Facebook lead ad form I have created. Now in front of you, I am going to submit this form with some dummy information only, and you will see how I will automatically receive a lead alert on my WhatsApp number. Further, I'll show you how you can also send a WhatsApp message to the very same lead sharing the property brochure or sending a basic thank you message. Now, to send or receive these WhatsApp messages, I will use this Vati application, which is an amazing application because it has the access of official API of WhatsApp. Now, you must be thinking how you can create an account, so don't worry about that. I will attach this link in my description box, and I will also attach a separate tutorial or a documentation in my description box that how you can create an account in Vati, how you can log in here. In place of Vati, you can also use other dedicated WhatsApp applications like Interact, AI Sensi, etc. But for now, I'm taking an example of Vati only, and in order to automate this whole process, we will have to build a connection in the Facebook lead ad form and in this Vati application, and that I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. Yes, using this automation software, we are going to connect our application, and in this way we will be automating our task. Okay, I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now, once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and once you have created an account in Vati, simply click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted a random name, something like WhatsApp automation for real estate business. Now it will ask you to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. So I will be selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. Okay, so these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, an action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead is arrived via Facebook lead ad form, so that is why I will be searching for the same, that is Facebook lead ads, then automatically send a WhatsApp message to the very same lead using Vati application. And further, I also want that a lead alert should also be received on my own WhatsApp number, again using with the Vati. So I will click on this plus icon and will select this Vati application once again. Yes, we are going to create a single automation only, and in the same automation we will automate both the process, sending as well as receiving the WhatsApp messages. Okay, and now the idea here is I will be connecting these 3 applications, basically these 2 applications, one by one with the Pabbly Connect. And let me tell you, by clicking on this plus icon, you can add as many as action steps as you want, connect different applications with the Pabbly Connect, or we can say with each other, and automate your complex business processes. So for now, I am deleting this process, and let me tell you this once again, that in this video I'm taking an example of Facebook lead ad form. Let's say you are getting the same lead via Google Forms or Elementor form. So in place of this application, you can choose other applications also. Okay, so now the idea here is we will be connecting these 3 applications. So let's first connect our Facebook lead ad form with the Pabbly Connect so that we can capture this lead information inside the dashboard. Okay, so selecting the trigger event, that is new lead instant. Now clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this connect with Facebook lead ads, and if you're already logged in your Facebook account, it will automatically detect that access and the authorization is successful, and my Facebook lead ad account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Suppose you are not logged in your Facebook account, in that case it will ask you the access of your Facebook account. Okay, and because we are connected here, you can notice whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account have started visible here. So I will be selecting this specific page, that is Home Hub Real Estate. Okay, so give me a second, and you will also have to select the same page in which you are running ad. And once I will select the page, whatever the lead generation forms are already associated with this page, the same lead generation form will be visible here. So I will be selecting this lead form. Let me even show you the same. This is my Facebook page. If I will visit the meta suite of this page, okay, give me a second, I'll show you everything. After visiting this meta business suite, you will have to click on this all tools section, and when you will scroll down, you will find the instant form section, and this is the lead ad form section where I have created this form, that is new lead form. Okay, let me select the same page, that is Home Hub. Okay, give me a second. So I have selected the same page, and now you can find the same lead ad form which are already associated with this page, that is lead form. This is just a basic form where I am collecting the basic information. Give me a second, let me open that. Why it is not getting open? Alright, so here I'm collecting the basic information like the name of the person, the email address of the person, and the phone number of the person, that is name, email and phone number, and also the city. Okay, for now I'm going to close this page because I have already opened my Facebook lead ad form using that lead ad testing tool. Now what is this lead ad testing tool? I'll show you everything. So it is saying, please note that after clicking the save and send test request button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form, and make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So basically it is asking to do a sample submission from your Facebook lead ad form, but I'm not running any live Facebook ads, so I'm going to use this Facebook lead ad testing tool to generate a dummy lead. You can also reach out here, click on this learn more option, and you will be redirected to the documentation of this, and when you will scroll down, you will find the link of that Facebook lead ad testing tool. You can even search for this tool directly from Google as well, and here you will find all the pages as well as all the form. Okay, so how about I search for the same page, that is Home Hub. Alright, in this way you can select the page, and further you can select the form and then click on this preview form button, and in this way via this Facebook lead ad testing tool you can access the Facebook lead ad form and generate a dummy lead. Okay, the same form is already opened in this particular page also. Okay, so how about I directly close this page, and now in front of you I am going to submit this lead, and you will see as soon as the submission is successful, here the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Clicking on this button, firstly save and send test request. Okay, give me a second, I think I have done this wrong. Firstly you will have to click on this button, and after that only you will have to make this dummy submission. Okay, so closing it, and now I'm going to delete that existing lead and I'm going to preview that form once again. Okay, so this is a small tip from my side, that do not forget to first click on that button, and after that that only you should submit this form. Okay, so how about say I add some random name. Alright, so I have added a 10-digit number. Once again, clicking on this next button, clicking on the submit button, and now you will notice that a response will be received, for which it is already waiting. Okay, fingers crossed. And here you can notice the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the same name, the same email address, the same dummy phone number, the same city. We also have the timing of the submission and other details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time someone will submit our lead ad form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I'll show you how you can get a lead alert on your WhatsApp number automatically using this Vati application. So selecting the action event, that is send template message, clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it will ask you the API endpoint and this access token. So right now I am assuming that you already have an account in Vati and you have logged in here, and after that you can directly click on this API docs, and here exactly you will get both the information, that is token, let me paste the same here, and also the API endpoint. Let me again copy and paste the same here, clicking on save, and in this way my Vati account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now the very first thing it is asking for the WhatsApp number to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message. Okay, so right now I am creating this Vati step to get the lead alerts. How about I rename this step in order to avoid any confusion? So here I will rename the step something like get lead alerts. Okay, and the second step will be for send the message on WhatsApp to your lead. Okay, so in this way I won't get confused, and now I want to get the lead alerts on my own WhatsApp number, so I will be adding my number only. Okay, so how about I add some dummy number right now? Okay, but don't worry, I will replace this number with my genuine WhatsApp number before I click on the final button. Okay, so right now I have added a 10-digit number, asking to select the template. So here you can notice whatever the templates are already available in my Vati account have started visible here. Okay, so before I select any template, I'll show you what is this template all about. Okay, so whenever you are sending the WhatsApp messages using some official API or WhatsApp, you will always have to create a template first, get it approved via Facebook, and then only you will be able to initiate the conversation with your customers, clients and users. Okay, so in my dashboard you can notice a lot of templates are already created and even approved. Few are still into the draft mode and few are even got rejected. Okay, now how you can create this template and get approval for the same? So again I will attach a separate video in my description box. You can refer that video, watch that tutorial, create a template, get it approved, and then come back here, or you can also watch this particular tutorial. Okay, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and before I select the template, let me first show you the template which I have created. Okay, so the name of my template is this lead notification. The category I have selected is marketing. The language I have selected is English, and in the broadcast title I have selected as text. Let's say you want to send any PDF file or an image or a brochure or a video as an attachment as a broadcast, you can also select the same, but currently I wanted to attach the text only, so I have selected the same. And now from here I have composed the message, that is hello dash a new dash lead is just arrived from our dash source. Details of the lead are as follows. So now you must be thinking that what are these values packed with the curly braces. Okay, so whatever the values I want to keep on changing automatically, I have specifically added those values in the form of variable. Now why I am I'm doing this? Because the same template will be used to send the message for all the leads. So that is why these variables plays a major role inside this automation. Okay, so again I want that the lead name, the lead email, the lead number should be replaced automatically. So I have added those things in the form of variable, and this is how your message will look like. And if you want, you can also attach the footer here, but it was optional, so I have not included any. If you want to attach any button, you can also go with the same. And once the template is ready, you can provide a sample content. Basically, you are telling the system that what values will come in place of these variables. This is just a sample content, just a dummy content. Okay, and once it is done, you can submit it for the approval, and once the template is approved, you are all set to use that template. So the name of my template is lead notification. So searching for the same, that is lead notification. And now it will ask you the broadcast name. So it is actually a lead alert. So I will be providing the same. You can provide any random broadcast name. Alright, it is done. And now it is asking for the custom parameters. The most interesting part of this Vati application, because from here only we are going to provide the values to our variables. Okay, so currently I have in total 4 variables in my template, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, sorry, I have 5 variables in total. So I'm going to copy the pair of curly braces for the exact times, basically for 5 times. Okay, 1 adding a comma, 2 adding a comma, 3, 4, and lastly I have pasted it for the 5th time. And make sure that you do not include the comma in the end of the variable. Now how we will be providing the values to our variable? So firstly, you will have to provide the name of the variable in place of this color, and in place of this blue you will have to provide the value of the variable. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so the name of my variable is name only, so that is why in first case the name will be name only, and the value of the name will be the name of the manager. Okay, so I will add something like manager only, because here we are going to receive the lead alert. So basically we are getting the messages on our own number only, so we can add our number only. Okay, now it's turn for the second variable. So here we have the variable name as business name. So let me copy, and this time the color will be business name, and here in place of value I will be adding the business name. Okay, so this is actually a real estate business. So how about I add the same? Let me also check the preview. A new real estate lead is just arrived from Facebook ads. So basically you can use this message template for any kind of business, doesn't matter it is a salon business. So what you can mention here is a new salon lead is just arrived from Facebook ads, or from Google ads, or from this website form submission. Okay, so in this way you can provide the values of your requirement. Okay, coming back, and now it's turned for the third variable. So I have the name of the third variable as this lead name. Now I'm not going to provide the lead value manually. I'll show you how I am going to provide this. Okay, so this time the name will be this lead name, and the value of the name will be the lead name only. So how and from where I'm going to provide this detail? Remember, I have already captured the lead information as a response of our trigger step. And the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy the name of the lead and paste below again and again. I am going to map this information so that these can be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Now how you can perform mapping? In place of this blue, basically in between these inverted commas, click here and you will find the above data, the same data here in the drop down. Select that data, and in this way it will be mapped. Now it's turn for the fourth variable. So the name of the fourth variable is lead email. So this time the color will be lead email. Okay, this time the name is lead email, and the value of the email will be, again I am going to map from this drop down. And now it's turn for the last variable. So here we have the number as lead number. Basically the variable name is lead number, so pasting the same, and the value value of the number will again I am going to pass, I am going to map from here. Okay, so in this way you can provide the values to your variable from this custom parameter things. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice that a response will be received. Well, it is saying that check your template, and it is saying it cannot have typos or blank text. Okay, so give me a second, let me cross check the whole text. I think I have done some mistake here. Alright, so I have understood. Currently I have 6 variable in totals, but I have provided the values only to the 5 variable. Here you can notice 1, 2, 3 and this 4, 5, 6, and I have forgot to provide the value to this particular variable. Okay, so how about I copy the curly braces, the pair of curly braces one more time along with a comma only, and now I am going to paste the exact thing after this business name variable. Okay, so where is the business name variable? Alright, this was the business name variable. After this comma, I will paste the same pair of curly braces, and again in place of this color I am going to copy the name of the variable, that is source. Coming back, and let me paste the same, that is source only, and the value of this source will be Facebook ads. Okay, I think now my template will work. Now I will be able to send the WhatsApp message, I will be able to receive the WhatsApp message, and here you can notice the response is received and it is a positive response. But currently I haven't received any message yet because I have sent the message on a dummy number, not on a genuine WhatsApp number. So let me replace my number here, and then I'll show you how the same message will be received. Give me a second. So I have replaced the number and have clicked on that button once again, and once again the response is received. Going back on my WhatsApp web, and here you can notice the message is received and we have got the same message 2 times, that is new lead arrived, because I have clicked on that button 2 times. Okay, so this is the same header text, that is new lead arrived. Hello manager, a new real estate lead is just arrived from Facebook ads. The details of the lead are as follow. Okay, so did you notice how the business name, how the source name, how the name of the lead, the email address and the phone number has been replaced automatically, and how the lead alert is arrived on my own WhatsApp number automatically. Okay, so in this way the second step of our automation is done. So now onwards what will happen? Every time a new lead will arrive from your Facebook lead ad form, you will get an instant lead alert on your own WhatsApp number automatically. Okay, now it's turn to learn how you can send the WhatsApp message to your leads also. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now selecting the action event, that is send a template message, clicking on connect, and this time I'm going to reuse my existing connection. You can also do the same, clicking on save, and in this way my Vati application will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And this time instead of providing my number, here I will be providing the number of the lead only, which you can map from this drop down only, asking for the template. Well, I think you have already understood what is this template all about. So instead of explaining you anything extra, I will directly show you the template which we are going to use to send the file, to send the thank you message. Okay, give me a second, let me search for my template name. That was something related to file sharing. Give me a second. So this is the name of my template, that is file sharing on WhatsApp. The category I have selected again is marketing. The language is this. In the broadcast title, I have selected the document because I wanted to attach the brochure along with my message as shown in this preview. And here I have added this dynamic variable. Yes, I have not included any text. I have specifically added this value in the form of variable so that it can be replaced automatically. And this is my message, hello, and here the name of the lead will appear here automatically. Thank you for sharing requirement with us. You have selected the city as this, so we are attaching the same brochure along with the message. Someone from our team will call you and will discuss the package. Meanwhile, you can check our website, that is realestate.com. Thanks ABC Real Estate. Okay, so in this way you can also compose a message and create a message template and get it approved. Now coming back, and the application is already selected. Now I am going to select the template name, that is file sharing on WhatsApp. Give me a second. All right, I have selected the same. Let me provide a title, something like sharing file on WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm providing this particular name. Now again comes the interesting part, that is providing the values to our variables. So firstly I'm going to count the number of the variables. So 1, 2 and 3. I have only 3 variables in total, so give me a second. Let me provide the values to these variables, and make sure that you do not include any extra column in the end of the curly braces, basically in the last pair of curly braces. And we have the first variable name as file, so I have copied the same. Coming back, let me paste the same here, and here in place of this blue color I am going to paste the property brochure which I wanted to send. Okay, so this is the real estate property brochure. Let me paste the same. Now it's turn for the second variable, and here we have the name as name only this time. So let me add the value as name only, and the value of the name will be the name of the lead, which I am going to map from this drop down only. And we have the third variable as the city. Well, as far as I remember, I have not captured this information, or how about I cross check it whether I have collected this information or not. Yes, I do have collected, but I have mapped it at the incorrect place. Let me first correct the same. Alright, now it is looking good. How about I click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response. And again the response is received, and it is a positive response. So give me a second, let me replace this number with my genuine WhatsApp number, and then you will see how the message will be sent to your audience automatically along with the PDF brochure attached. So I have provided my genuine WhatsApp number and have clicked on that button once again, and here you can notice the message is also arrived. Hello dummy user, and it is the same message. Let me also show you the real estate brochure which I have attached. Okay, it has been downloaded, and let me open the same. So did you notice it is actually a real estate brochure, a property brochure only. Okay, so in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can automate the process of sending or receiving the WhatsApp messages automatically. You just need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. Once after that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. You can even close Pabbly Connect from here, because everything will work in the backend. And just in case if you want to access this 3-step automation workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And I hope you have understood that being a real estate business owner, how you can automate this process. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.